Parties are excellent for meeting new people, but if social situations make you feel nervous, approaching someone can be daunting. To boost your confidence, focus on looking and feeling good, honing your conversational skills, and making a positive first impression. Begin by scanning the room to identify approachable individuals, particularly those who seem bored. Once you find someone, establish eye contact and smile before approaching. Introduce yourself, ask for their name, and initiate a light conversation with open-ended questions about her interest. Active listening is key, so engage with her responses and keep the mood light by avoiding heavy topics. A touch of humor can help create a relaxed atmosphere. If the conversation goes well, don't hesitate to ask for her contact information. Finally, remember to present yourself well by dressing confidently, maintaining good hygiene, and practicing positive body language. Interacting with multiple people will make the process feel more natural, and setting small goals for each party can ease any overwhelming feelings.